Barcelona has a way of revealing itself slowly. As I walk through these narrow stone streets, the buildings rise higher and suddenly, the towers of Barcelona Cathedral appear above everything else. This is the heart of the Gothic quarter, where nearly every stone has witnessed centuries of history. The cathedral dates back to the 13th century. Much of its ornate facade was completed in the late 1800s, designed to match the original Gothic version. The cathedral is layered with intricate stonework, saints, angels, floral patterns, and deep arches carved with incredible precision. Curiosity pulls me away from the crowds. Down a quieter side passage, the atmosphere changes instantly. Fewer people, softer footsteps, and thick stone walls closing in. This area once housed royal and military spaces, including armories and administrative buildings, hidden just steps away from the cathedral's main entrance. All throughout this area, you'll find museums and hidden spaces where time feels suspended. You can catch glimpses of inner courtyards, museums, and hidden spaces where time feels suspended. The path continues into the Plaça del Rei, a stone courtyard that feels untouched by modern time. These steps once welcomed kings, diplomats, and explorers, including Christopher Columbus. And then just beyond it, modern cafes, shops, and the conversation spills into the streets, blending past and present seamlessly. I continue down the pedestrian street, getting to the Galleria Sant Jordi. Antique vases sit just behind glass, and an old wooden door bears a carved plaque of St. George slaying the dragon. Plaça de Sant Jaume opens up ahead, one of Barcelona's most important civic spaces. For over 2,000 years, this square has been used for political-centered activities in the city. I continue down the streets where small details reward those who go slow. Wandering deeper into the pedestrian streets, we'll come across more places that you can look into, small museums, art shops, just about everything you can imagine. And suddenly, the unmistakable aroma of jamón. Inside, rows of Iberian hams hang proudly, each marked by color-coded labels indicating breed, diet, and aging, some cured over 3 years. In Spain, jamón isn't just food, it's tradition. Soon, we arrive at the elegant square, and this was designed in the 19th century, and is now a hub for nightlife, cafes, and free walking tours. This plaza is a perfect meeting point for travelers from around the world. This square is active throughout the day and especially at nighttime, where you find people enjoying their evening with a stroll and a nice glass of wine in hand. This area was once known for textile shops and merchants. My curiosity leads me to continue, and now we're heading to the Arc. On the way there, it's important to take your time and admire the architecture. You'll find different businesses, restaurants, cafes along the way. Under the canopy of the trees, this place is really refreshing and relaxing, perfect for families. And it's definitely less crowded, so you can take a pleasurable walk and enjoy the views. Then, through the trees, the Arc de Triomf appears. Unlike Paris's version, Barcelona's Arc is built in red brick and decorated with intricate designs celebrating art, industry, and progress. Built as a main entrance for the 1888 World's Fair, The Arc de Triomf symbolizes Barcelona's openness to the world. Today, it's a gathering place filled with photographers, musicians, families, and travelers taking in the atmosphere. Instead of being military focused, this distinct red brick beauty and the sculptures depicted agriculture, industry, trade, arts, and the sciences. As the light shifts and the city hums around me, this walk comes to a close, another chapter of Barcelona explored step by step. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned something about Barcelona, and soon you'll be able to plan your own trip. We will see you on the next episode.